This is my go-to recipe for kebabs whenever I want to make something really nice and really quick. And this is such an easy recipe that I think anyone can make it in their first try. I've got half kg keema here. This is chicken keema. You can use lamb, beef or mutton, whatever you like. I've got half chopped onion, peppers, coriander and a lot of garlic. Everything should be like really finely chopped. Everything is gonna go in. For the spices, I'm gonna add salt, paprika, cumin powder, coriander powder, black pepper, chili flakes, dried parsley, little bit of lemon juice, tomato paste, and some oil. Mix everything. This is how your mixture should look like. Now I'm gonna let it sit for some time and then I'm gonna make kebabs. So I'm just gonna apply some water on my hands. So I've made 5 kebabs, but there's a lot of mixture still left. I just need 5 at the moment, but this mixture will easily make like 12 kebabs for you. And this can go in the fridge. So I've been gifted this very cute air fryer from Prosenic, and this is their manual. It comes with a lot of languages, so it's very easy for anyone to understand how this works. And the very nice thing about it, it comes with a recipe book, and there are a lot of recipes in it, which is handy. Plus, this is interesting, it connects with an app that you can download on your phone and then you can use it with your app. So this is something new. So let's try and make kebabs in this and see how it works. So you have to press this button to take the basket out. It's a nice basket. So I have washed it and dried it off because I always wash any appliance that comes brand new. Right, so there are a lot of options for temperature control: fries, fish, muffins or cakes, bread and vegetables and seafood and steak. So quite a lot of options. So this is the temperature. So I want 180 degrees and this is the time. So you can increase the time or decrease the time. I want 20 minutes. So I'm gonna put it on 20 minutes. Now let's place the kebabs in. So I'm just gonna place all the kebabs in there. And just press start. That's it, started working. The kebabs are halfway through. I'm just gonna take the basket out because I just want to add some vegetables so they can grill alongside with the kebabs. I didn't add them before, otherwise the vegetables will burn. And I think I'm just gonna brush them lightly with oil. Right, so this is gonna go back in. Look at the kebabs. I just want to flip them just to char them on the other side as well. And I'm gonna increase the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius for about 5 more minutes only. The kebabs are cooked. I just want them to have a nice color on the other side as well. These are gonna go back in. These are done.